Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming what proof you have. This lets you choose the fastest reset path. On your device open settings or system preferences, tap your name, then password and security. If you have two-factor enabled, pick Forgot Apple ID or Password and enter the Apple ID. Once done, Apple will prompt trusted devices or send a code to your trusted phone/email. Make sure you can access them because that code is the key to continue. Next, you execute verification and create the new password. When you receive the verification code, type it immediately. Delays may expire the code. If asked for a recovery key, paste it exactly. This replaces other verification when available. After verification, choose a new password with at least 8 characters, a number, and a mix of cases. This prevents future locks. Make sure to update that password on Mail, iCloud, and other signed-in devices. To finish, sign back into iCloud and Apple services using the new password so syncing resumes. Once signed in, enable or confirm two-factor authentication and verify your trusted phone numbers. This prevents repeated resets. If something went wrong and your account remains locked, begin an account recovery. That process can take days, and Apple will provide an estimated timeline. A key troubleshooting tip: if verification codes aren't arriving, check carrier SMS blocking and use the trusted device prompt instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.